kids! Let's meet some transport vehicles today. Ring the bell, somebody's not well. Let's call an ambulance. Ring the bell, somebody's not well. Our friendly ambulance. An ambulance can save a life. An ambulance can help you. An ambulance can take you fast. Wow, wow, wow! What a shame the barn's aflame. Let's call the fire truck. What a shame the barn's aflame. Our brave and bold fire truck. A fire truck can put out flames. A fire truck can rescue. A fire truck comes fast as it can. Wow, wow, wow! Look up high, up in the sky. It's a great big aeroplane. Up high, up in the sky. A great and beautiful aeroplane. An aeroplane can fly so high, carrying all those people. Through the clouds it zooms by. Zoom, zoom, zoom! Up and down and all around goes the passenger train. Crossing fields, crossing towns, the very long passenger train. A train can take you anywhere, from places near to places far. You can even sleep in there. Choo, choo, choo! Through the seas and loving the breeze, the cruise ship does sail on. Across the waves for days and days, the majestic ship sails on. A ship can cross the oceans wide. A ship can take you places. A ship can sail for days and nights. Splish, splash, splash! Look at the street, it's time to meet our favorite school bus. So many seats, it's time to meet our lovely yellow school bus. A school bus takes us to school. A school bus is friendly. A school bus will drop us home. Vroom, vroom, vroom! Hi kids! Meet my friend Mr. School Bus!
Hi Bob! Why don't you join me on the way to school?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, on the way to school.
Look Bob! They're planting seeds over there!
Plants will grow up green, 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 green. Plants will grow up green, 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 on the way to school. There's Polly helping old Mrs. Hubbard. Help Mrs. Hubbard cross the street, cross the street, cross the street. Help Mrs. Hubbard cross the street, on the way to school.
Isn't that nice? Everyone's helping clean the park.
Let's keep our town all clean, 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 clean. Let's keep our town all clean, 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 on the way to school. Good deeds make me feel so happy. Good deeds make us smile, 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 smile. Good deeds make us smile, 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 on the way to school. Wasn't that fun? See you soon next time! Let's ride a bicycle!
But it looks scary!
You can ride!
No, I can't!
Why don't you try?
Okay, I will!
Are you moving?
Yes, I am! Yes, I am! Yes, I am!
This is little bicycle. Sit and ride and go over mountains high or under valleys low. Through the rain or snow, go fast or go slow. Wear your helmet.
Yes, I will.
Start to pedal
Up the hill.
Are you moving?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
This is little bicycle. Sit and ride and go over mountains high or under valleys low. Through the rain or snow, go fast or go slow. Do you like it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Is it fun?
Yes, yes, yes.
Will you ride it?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
This is little bicycle. Sit and ride and go over mountains high or under valleys low. Through the rain or snow, go fast or go slow. Wasn't that fun? Let's all ride our bicycles again with Bob the Train! Hey kids! Did you hear about the 3 little kittens? Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What, lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, we shall have no pie. 3 little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What, found your mittens, you darling kittens? Then you shall have some pie. Meow, meow, we shall have some pie. Three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Oh mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled. What, soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens? They began to sigh. Meow, meow, our mittens we have soiled. Three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh mother dear, look here, our mittens we have washed. What, washed your mittens? You're such good kittens, I smell a rat close by. Meow, meow, we smell a rat close by. kids! Let's see what Johnny is up to! Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha! Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha! Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha! Isn't Johnny a naughty little boy? Hey, kids! Let's do some funny stuff with Bob the Train! Let's all laugh, ha 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 ha.
Let's all laugh, ha 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 ha.
Let's all laugh, ha 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 ha.
Let's all laugh. Let's say yeah 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 yeah.
Let's say yeah 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 yeah.
Let's say yeah 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 yeah.
Let's say yeah.
Let's go no 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 no.
Let's go no 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 no.
Let's go no 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 no.
Let's go no. Let's all hop 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 hop.
Let's all hop 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 hop. Let's all hop 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 hop.
Let's all hop.
Let's sneeze achoo achoo achoo. Let's sneeze achoo achoo achoo.
Let's sneeze achoo achoo achoo. Let's all sneeze.
Let's cry wah wah wah. Let's cry wah wah wah.
Let's cry wah wah wah. Let's all cry.
Let's all run 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 run.
Let's all run 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 run.
Let's all run 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 run. Let's all run. Let's all yawn.
Let's all yawn.
Let's all yawn.
Let's all yawn. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Good night. Wake up, wake up.
Okay, Bob.
It's time for a balloon race.
Yay, a balloon race.
Blow your balloons and
I'll blow my balloon. Float in the air. Look at my hair.
let's see who will
I will
reach the end fastest.
I will be the fastest.
Puff, 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 puff. Get set, go.
Here we go.
Let's go, it's time for a balloon race. Blow your balloons and float in the air. Let's see who will reach the end fastest. Puff, 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 get set, go. Let's go, it's time for a balloon race. Blow your balloons and float in the air. Let's see who will reach the end fastest.
Puff, 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 puff.
Get set, go. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
It's time for a balloon race.
Yay, a balloon race.
Blow your balloons and I will blow my balloon. Float in the air.
Wow, look at my hair.
Let's see who will reach the end fastest.
I will be the fastest. Puff, 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 puff.
Puff, 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 puff. Get set, go.
Here we go.
Look at those jumping babies! 5 little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more babies jumping on the bed." 4 little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more babies jumping on the bed." 3 little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more babies jumping on the bed." 2 little babies jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more babies jumping on the bed." One little baby jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those babies right to bed."